Hello, good morning. I'm Ravichandran. I have started a new channel for handwriting. Already we are running a YouTube channel for biology classes. Now this is a special channel under our banner EduCons Mentor for Success, and we have planned to give handwriting within 15 hours. So that means within this lockdown period, I think everyone can get a better handwriting. That's our aim, and there is no age limit for this. From age 6 to 60 or 80, anybody can change their handwriting if you are willing, right? And we would like to give you some instructions to you, which if you follow, we assure you that you will get 100% a very legible cursive handwriting. Right, that's our aim. I think those who are interested can join. Right, we will give you some instructions which we feel that if you follow, then it will be very useful. The first thing is go through this intro video thoroughly, and I'll be giving some instructions that you have to follow step by step. I think when two hand joins together, it makes a sound, right? So when you join along with us, I think we assure you 100% a beautiful and legible handwriting, right? So what you have to do first is, you may have a lot of questions in your mind, no? How is it possible to get a handwriting within 15 hours? Okay, I think many of you may be having this question in mind. And the second thing, my handwriting is already very worst. I tried many times, but it didn't change. How come it will change in this age or now? Another big question follows, that too within 15 hours. Yes, we assure you, because it's not the new program. We have launched this program in the year 2005, and we have got a beautiful opportunity in training teachers at TVS Group of Schools, Madurai, in the year 2006. So far we have trained more than 300 teachers, and we have made around 100 instructors for handwriting all around Tamil Nadu. And many of our handwriting instructors are become teachers in various institutions. And we are directly involved in training children at various schools and train more than 3,000 to 4,000 children. So it's not a new program. And we have our own material for this, and that will all be research materials which will be very, very useful to you all. Okay, the steps are very, very simple. What you have to do is, you have to follow the first video on the first day. Like that, 15 videos will be posted to you. You have to follow 15 videos, and as per the instructions which is in the video, that you have to start your practice. Don't try to do 2 videos in a day, okay? That won't give a better result. I'll give you an answer for all these questions which you might have raised. How come this is possible within 15 hours? See, the brain has the ability to learn very fast, and if you do the corrections in the root level. So we have to go, suppose for our handwriting, there is a part responsible for our handwriting. We have to go to that part and we have to correct, fine tune that part, then automatically handwriting will change. So whatever already stored, that we have to tune. How to do this? We cannot enter into the brain and do it, right? So what we do is, we give some exercises by which we would like to, because writing is based on these 2 fingers, right? These 3 fingers. So we are going to give some exercises to these fingers, which will do the fine tuning in the brain center. Automatically, within the shortest time, the brain get tuned and your handwriting will change. This is very simple trick that we are going to use and follow, right? So first instruction is you have to follow the videos, daily one video. Based on that, within 15 days you will be getting an assured result. Okay. The second thing is, you may be thinking that you want to get the handwriting very quickly, but you have to give the time for the brain to learn. So brain is a slow learner, but once it learns, it never forget and it give a quick result. So what you have to do here is, you have to go with the pace which we are telling. So while practicing, you have to be very, very, very slow. When you do it with the pace which we are telling, slowly, very slowly, and after 15 hours, you will see the results. Your handwriting will be beautiful. So the slowest you are in writing, the fastest your handwriting process. So this is the first formula that you have to adapt. And I'd like to tell you, add some points to you. You may be thinking it's, after all, handwriting which is not at all used now. Nowadays we don't write letters, we don't use handwriting. We use handwriting only for the checks, and we use the writing skills only for just coloring or shading a box in the examinations on objective types, right? But we would like to tell you, the manipulation of the finger is the first step in tuning the brain. That makes the greatest difference between the human and the other animals. So we have got the beautiful manipulation of our fingers. So we have to fine tune our fingers, which we have seen the results, which I am telling you out of our experience. Many children came very naughty, very shabby in handwriting. They underwent this training, these courses, and we have seen amazing results. Their characters were changed. They were restless previously, now they are focused much on their work. They become very calm. Whatever the work given, they are very focused. The concentration improved a lot. Even their academic marks have improved. This we have got, the results we have got. That's I would like to share with you. You may be asking, how is it possible? Yes, it's possible. As I said, if you tune the brain, it is not that the center is responsible for one skill. That center is responsible various other skills. That's why when we do these exercises and the handwriting practices, the other behavioral changes we have observed, which you will also experience that. So with that confidence, we are coming into online now. But what we request you is, you have to follow our instructions very, very carefully. Every day a video, and we will give you the material. First we will post a sheet, and that you can take 15 printouts, and we will be giving the first video, what to do and how to do, and follow that instructions and use that sheet. So, and then after that the practice will be for maximum of 20 minutes per day. Once you do along with the video, you give a gap of 2 to 3 hours, then you can take another sheet and you can do the same practice at home. So every day what you are going, along with video 20 minutes, and without video as a practice session another 20 minutes. So around 40 minutes, that is more or less near to an hour. So another 20 minutes and an hour. So which we are going to do for another 15 days. We will assure you, your handwriting will change. Let's see the result, right? All the best. Thank you.